Mga ulap ang aking katabi, ngunit hindi ako nag-iisa, pagkat ikaw ay nandito na.
Tala sa iyong mata'y aking batid, bawat kislap ay may pag-ibig na hatid. Sa mga hangarin nating tapat, kayang baguhin ng lahat.
Merry Christmas, family!
Magagandang larawan ng ating likas, ngayong Pasko ay
very much.
Ngayong Pasko, magniningning ang Pilipino. Saan man sa mundo tanaw nila ang liwanag mo. Tuwing ka ng pagmamahal, pinagpala ng may kapal. Ngayong Pasko, magniningning ang Pilipino.
magandang tadharang naghihintay, pupuntahan natin magkasabay.
Tibok ng puso natin isa, sa loob nito taga rito ka. Magagandang larawan ng ating bukas. Ngayong Pasko ay magniningan. Ngayong Pasko, magniningning ang Pilipino. Saan man sa mundo tanaw nila ang liwanag mo. Tuwing ka ng pagmamahal, pinagpala ng may ang Pilipino.
Sa hirap at ginhawa, umiyak man o tumawa, malayo o malapit, tayo ay sama-sama.
Tagumpay natin ay pag-iwan.
Pag-iwan,
Wala nang panahon kung di ngayon. Ngayong Pasko, magniningning ang Pilipino. Saan man sa mundo tanaw nila ang liwanag mo. Tuwing ka ng pagmamahal, pinagpala ng may kapal. Ngayong Pasko, magniningning ang Pilipino.
Thank you so much for everything. We are here in Poblacion, Infanta, Philippine Islands, and I am George Butler, and this is our beautiful crew here. And we're asking you right now to continue to pray for us because we are just getting ready to start our annual giveaway, our Christmas giveaway. And right now we have bagged up over 300 pounds of rice in 5-kilogram holiday Christmas bags. We also have grocery bags filled with dry goods, canned goods, coffee, cheese, spaghetti, 1.5 liter of Cokes. These grocery bags will be passed out along with the rice to families that are in need, the sick, the elderly, our beautiful senior citizens, and people that we know that need groceries for Christmas. There's a lot of people here that need help, but also we have our giveaway for our kids. We have flip-flops, school supplies, clothing, Christmas goodie bags. We're going to be doing it up, and we're going to be doing it up good, but we couldn't have done this without your donation and your help, your prayers, and your love. So thank you so much for everything, because you know what? We wish
You a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, family. Thank you for everything. We love you. Yes!
Pilipining ang Pilipino. Saan man sa mundo tanaw nila